Is your business stuck in the past with a clunky phone system? Are you tired of high phone bills and limited features? Then it's time to upgrade to a SIP IPBX solution. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about SIP IPBX for businesses. We'll answer questions like, what is SIP trunking and how can it benefit your business? How does an IPBX work and what features does it offer? Is SIP right for your company? We'll also compare SIP IPBX to traditional phone systems and explore the cost-saving advantages you can enjoy. By the end of this video, you'll be a SIP IPBX expert, ready to take your business communications to the next level. So ditch the outdated phone system and embrace the future of business communication with SIP IPBX. Watch the full video to learn more, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business technology tips. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.